This right here is ZBO HyperShift. When sprayed over black, this shifts from black to an incredibly bright, vibrant orange and amber. It's a very special pearl. Same family as ZBR, black to red, and ZBB, black to blue. So we know what this does when we spray it over black. But what happens when you spray it over a gunmetal gray? Let me show you ZBO real quick. This is a funky pearl. Look how dark, look how deep. You can see where the blacks are coming in. You can see those orange and amber hues coming in. This is wild. So, I have a prediction. I think that this video is going to be one of the ones where we end up wishing that we had done small scale testing first. Just throwing that out there.
I agree.
We don't know if this super dark powder going over gunmetal is just going to create a black, dirty mess, or if we're going to be able to harness the oranges and the ambers and let the black tones, we don't know. We really don't. Now, I will tell you this. My suggestion was to use 12.5 grams per gallon on this project. Gabe thinks that's way too much. But we don't have any 5-gram bags of it, so here we are. So I think what we're going to do is do 12.5 grams per gallon, and then after the first coat, if it's a disaster, we will either abandon and never put this video out, or dilute it.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So here's ZBO. Again, very special, very cool pearl. So let me show you ZBO over the stick of truth. And this will demonstrate what it looks like in its traditional usage over a black base. See, now I'm wondering if this is too much pearl. Because look how dark and deep it is. This is going to be a weird one. So today we're going to find out one way or another what happens when you take our black to orange HyperShift and spray it over a gunmetal base. Are you ready?
There's only one way to find out.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, we knew when we were going to spray this black to orange HyperShift over a gunmetal gray base, it was going to be risky. And to be honest, this one's a bit heartbreaking because it did fail, but it has so much potential. You're going to see the car here in a second. When you rotate into those oranges and ambers and reds, it looks amazing. But as soon as you rotate off of those tones, you just see that darker powder over the gunmetal gray base, and it looks stripy and cloudy and dirty. Now there's something to take from this though. I'm going to show you ZBO HyperShift over different color base coats at the end of the video, and it's just a matter of dialing in a base color that's dark enough. This pearl I think will work over other colors than black, but it has to be dark enough to work with that pearl. Either way, we're going to bring the car outside right now. You know what to do. Take a good look at it, feel free to leave some honest feedback below. If you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of colors, a ton of kits, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Even though this project didn't work out the way we wanted it to, we learned a lot, we had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun watching it, and we'll see you on the next one.